The CBS ARCSAFE RRS1 Universal Remote Racking System is a portable, easily adjustable, highly configurable, and user-friendly remote racking system. The CBS ARCSAFE RRS1 Universal Remote Racking System is a portable, easily adjustable, highly configurable, and user-friendly remote racking system designed for safe and reliable operation when installing or removing rotary-style circuit breakers. The RRS1 is compatible with all major manufacturer styles of switchgear, which utilize a rotary racking mechanism. The unit can remotely install or remove all types of air, SF6, and vacuum circuit breakers, which have either a horizontal or vertical racking operation. The unique design and simple operation of the CBS ARCSAFE RRS1 remote racking system, with its robust construction, custom tooling, and dual redundant over-racking protection, enables operators to be stationed outside the arc flash boundary during remote operations, reducing or eliminating the need for full-body PPE. By allowing the RRS1 to perform the potentially dangerous racking procedure remotely, CBS ARCSAFE is removing the operator from manual contact with the circuit breaker. When set up and operated correctly, the RRS1 is an invaluable tool in keeping personnel safe from the hazards of arc flash and its potentially lethal consequences. Remote operation places operators outside the arc flash protection boundary. Highly customizable and configurable with over 15 different options to choose from. Compatible with low and medium voltage circuit breakers, equipped with rotary drawout mechanisms produced by all major manufacturers.